Yeah, say that. And like a child my whole life long. It's be right, I'll be wrong. Hey y'all, hey y'all, it's DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Doop, doop. For all my return subscribers, thank you. Okay, y'all, I'm on my way to get my yearly mammogram. I ended up having to switch my appointment. I was supposed to have done this a week ago, but I had something that came up at work where everybody had to volunteer and assist, so then I pushed it back a week, and I'm just glad that I pushed it back a week as opposed to what I normally do. I just forget about my appointments and then they never happen again. So anyways, I'm on my way. I go to this place in Mansfield, which is like literally like right up the street, to get mine done. But let me tell y'all what's been going on. So I feel like I have been very transparent about my struggles with being overwhelmed and overstimulated and all that, right? So the medicine that I was taking, talk to y'all about like maybe 4 videos back, the anxiety medicine that I was prescribed, I felt like it was making me very, very fatigued, right? So my mom was like, stop taking it. So I stopped taking it. 2 days later, I started back feeling like my normal self. Well, I had a doctor's appointment like a couple days ago, and I was basically, because it was hard for me to get back in the doctor, but anyways, I was telling her what was going on with the medicine, and so she should see, girl, take your time. And so she suggested that I take the medicine at night as opposed to taking it in the morning to see if that helps. So I have been taking it at night for the last couple of nights. And when I tell y'all, I made it home from work yesterday at 5 o'clock. I went to sleep. Adrian woke me up at 8:20. He was like, baby, get up. And I said, what time is it? And he said 8 something. It was 8:20. I went downstairs. The kids, you know, he had already gave them a bath. I already fed them. So me and him sat at the table at 8. I took a shower. I was trying to get Callie asleep. And I pretty much fell back asleep at like 10 o'clock. Fell asleep on the couch with Callie. He woke me up at 1 something and went and put Callie in our bed downstairs and let me sleep down there with her. And yeah, I just been tired. So while I'm waiting, or as soon as I get done with my mammogram, I'm going to, she told me to message her, so I'm just gonna message my doctor and say, hey, the medicine is still like making me fatigued. And she said that, you know, once I do that, then she'll prescribe me something else to take, which, you know, I'm trying to stay optimistic because I just really feel like I have been needing help for a while. And so I'm looking forward to getting the help that I need. But, you know, with medicine, everything is trial and error. So again, I'm trying to be open and optimistic, but I just want to find something that sticks. So yeah, so that's what's going on with that. But yeah, other than that, like, everything has been, you know, easy peasy. Everything is pretty smooth. I had a lot of positive comments on my last vlog about Cam and his autism diagnosis and all of that. And so I'm looking forward to doing some more videos. I just got to sit down and plan them out and like, what do I want to say? Because I want to be helpful. I want to be open. I want to share as much information as I, y'all know what? I am going the wrong way. I'm ready for my close-up. So listen, I knew I wasn't supposed to have, like, you're not supposed to wear perfume or deodorant or anything when you get your mammogram. So I put some deodorant on last night. Like, I didn't put any body creams or anything like that because I already knew. But I forgot to wipe it off this morning. So I got my little wipe, so I need to wipe my deodorant off so I can have a clear screen. She said they were gonna call me. I don't know why they didn't do that. But she said they was gonna call me when they was ready. Luckily, I like coming to this one because it don't be real packed, you know. And the people are nice, but child, they had a sign at the front that said, "You will not be disrespectful or abusive to the radio techs." I'm like, what in the world? Yes. I was like, what in the world are people doing when it comes to the doctor's office? Like, are people really coming here being rude and disrespectful and physical? Because I thought it said physical too. I don't know. But see, I'm in here talking and then I already called my name and I ain't ready. So let me go. Okay, so I just pulled up at Staples and y'all got so many Amazon returns. I put them in this box, but I think I'm gonna take some of it out. Anyways, these are the shirts that didn't work for Easter. The one for Adrian, it was kind of like a faded blue. This one for Cam was too small. And then y'all remember the story about me ordering the sheets and the pillowcases, and then they came late as opposed to when I needed them. Taking those back because I end up keeping the other ones. A little sweater for Callie. This sweater I really thought she was gonna be able to wear for Easter, and then look, uh-oh, can y'all see that? Hold on, let me find it. Look, the button is missing. Oh, going back. And yeah, this is another place. That's pretty much about it. Oh, and I got this mat because I had ordered a mat. Basically, a lot of the stuff that I ordered, it didn't come on time. So the stuff that didn't come on time and I already used is going back because I already had found, you know, an alternate for it. It's always funny when I go in here because I feel like people be side-eyeing the people that have a lot of packages. I don't judge because I know I have a lot of crap, you know. So when people come in with a lot of packages, I'll be like, whatever. But anyways, I got a right to be in here just like everybody else. I think I got like 9 things I'm returning. So this one, it is what it is. So the mammogram went great. As you can see, I have stuff in my hand. So I am going into Walmart to do a return. That was not planned, but the stuff was already in my car. And it's only 11:11 and I'm off from work until 12:30. So I'm like, I got plenty of time. So I'm gonna drop this off and then I'm gonna look for a bathroom mat for the tub for us. Is that what you're saying too, Cash? Okay. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. So it's 11:15, y'all. When I say in and out, baby, in and out. So let me go look for this. Oh, I wanted Kelly me some more rain boots. No, she got some rain boots. So let me go try to find this mat. See, I'm getting sidetracked. Now I'm gonna start looking at stuff for the kids. Here I go. Looking at shoes. But yeah, let me go to the back so I can go and get these bath mats. So I'm looking for a bath mat, but I want just one. You know what I'm saying? So like, I like this one, but to me, it looks like it may hold water. So I like the gray one, but the gray one really don't match. I want brown, but I think I may just get the gray one anyways and just put the small one down when you step out of the tub upstairs, but keep the big one. So it's like 2 for 1. I'll just save it because I didn't really like any of these down here. They look really thin. These do. But again, they got black, but then they don't have like a dark brown. So I'm gonna just go with the gray. Yeah, I'm gonna just get gray. I think that'll work. So then I thought this was really cute. How cute is this basket? Like, I could see me putting this on the back of the toilet and just putting like extra rolls of toilet paper and like paper towels in it. But then I don't know if it's too wide, because if it's sitting on the back and somebody got to take a boo-boo and they can't sit all the way back because it's up there, that's kind of annoying. But I really want it. But I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just see how much room. I'm all about measuring. I'm gonna just measure the back of the toilet seat to see how wide it is. Okay, something like this may work. Look at that. This is thin. This may work. But I'm noticing a lot of stuff in Walmart, they don't have a price. Like, do you not want me to know? Because there ain't gonna be no surprises, boo, because I don't be embarrassed. I used to be embarrassed to put stuff back, but not anymore. Oh, I done came in this store. It's supposed to be leaving, y'all. Okay. I ended up finding these shoes for Callie because I need shoes that's like multicolored. These have blue, purple, and pink in them. Boom. I'm getting a bigger size, so she don't have to wear them right now, but she'll grow into them. A shower mat. But that ain't what I want to show you. I want to show you all this randomness that I have before somebody comes, because more people coming in the store. I ended up finding her this dress for $6 and swimsuits. So this is, I know it's not like a girly color, but it costs more. It's by Speedo and it costs more, and I think the quality is going to be better. So I'm buying her all these swimsuits. I think they were like $15 to see which ones work. I'm hoping these work. So I like to do the long sleeves for outdoors with the sun. So I'm just going to get one of these to see if it works, because my baby be complaining that it hurts like in the front part. So I don't see any 2-piece swimsuits with the shorts. I want her to find the short tights with the long shirt. So if y'all know where I can get those for little girl, let me know, because yeah, the bikini kind of rides sometimes. I got her this one. So that's 2. Oh, I already showed y'all the other one. 3. So I probably need like 3 of each. Maybe I'm being dramatic, but like 3 long sleeve for the UV rays and 3 sleeveless, preferably the short. So I'm gonna buy all of these, take them home and see which one she like, and I found her this shirt. How cute is this? Oh my God, y'all, I'm so excited. So my time is ticking too. It's 11:42, so I need to hurry up. But yes, I found her some really cute stuff. So now I'm gonna go to the boys section to see if they have swim stuff out for boys, so I can find Cam some stuff. And I also need to get me a buggy. But yeah, I'm so excited with the little stuff that I got, and I'm hoping that some of these work, at least one of them work. If not, child, I'll just bring them back like I always do. So they didn't really have a lot of options for boys at all. So I just got what they had left. It looked like everybody got the stuff, but again, it wasn't a lot. But let me show y'all right quick before I get up out of here. So I got these, and they didn't have like shirts that went with them. So I got these because I don't know, I thought they were cute, and I could find either do pink or the loud color. And then I got some pink ones, which Cam needs shirts for these. He needs some long sleeve shirts and also the short sleeve, like if we do indoor. This was the only one that had a top that went with it. And I got the top. Ugh. So these trunks with this shirt, that was pretty much all they had for the boys. So hopefully I can go online and find some shirts for him and he can wear some of this stuff. I also got him just a regular shirt that I thought was so cute. I think that's gonna look really good on his skin. So let me get up out of here because I'm pretty sure it's almost 12 o'clock, so I need to check out. And I'm not gonna have time to grab anything to eat. I'll probably just get something to eat while I'm out working. Oh crap. Ugh. The only thing I came in here for was really, I didn't even come here for a rug for that. I came here for a mat for the tub. And I'm leaving with all this stuff. And I'm gonna guess, I need y'all to guess now, leave a comment how much you think this stuff is gonna be. I'm gonna say 150. What am I doing with my baby's shoes? Oh Lord, let me go find the shoes. Okay, I'm back. So I ended up finding the shoes exactly where I thought that I left them. But like I was saying, leave me a comment on how much you think it's gonna be. I'm gonna say 150. No, I think it's gonna be more than that. I'm gonna say $200. I don't know. Even though I was only coming here for one thing, I'm leaving with all this stuff. And I feel like I still didn't have time to look through everything. So I'm gonna have to come back in the morning when it's not a lot of people, because now it's kind of getting packed. Y'all see that line behind me? Yeah, it's pretty packed. Oh, yeah, I'm so tired. Okay, so made it home from work. I had Cheesecake Factory for lunch. I only had a little bit left. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it away. And I drank me some good old H2O, even though I wanted to drink a soda. I'm trying to do better. But I'm tired. Work was cool. I had to put my stuff up in the laundry room. And then I have to go pick up the kids. So it's no, what's the word? I want to say break, but that's not the word I'm looking for. Like, there's really no, like, downtime cushion. You get what I'm saying? I got to hurry up, put my stuff up, and go pick them up before traffic gets too bad. All right, before I go, I'm going to take my vitamins because I forgot to take my vitamins. Oh, I got 2 more packs of these. I actually like these. I think they're called Gruins. It's supposed to be superfood green gummies. But anyways, I like them. The company actually sent them to me a while back, and I'm just now using them, and now I only have 2 left, and I don't even know who the contact person is to get more. But anyway, I'll do that. Y'all got so many vitamins. I'll take my collagen. I have a probiotic by Black Girl Vitamins. B12, fish oil. Every day, 1 a day vitamin, and I'll probably do zinc. I think I already did my vitamin D3, but I think just I usually pack my vitamins in these little things like daily, but I forgot today. So I'm a woman of particular age, so I gotta get my vitamins in there. Okay, so Kim is already back there. Cam always go to sleep, like I said, so he's asleep. So I'm gonna run in here right quick and get Callie. Got one that's sleeping, then Callie gonna come in with all this energy jumping around and stuff probably. Oh, the garage messed up when I was leaving to go pick up Cam, and I totally forgot, so I'm gonna have to go through the front door. Oh, you gonna say hey? Hey. They can't see you. Get up out your seat, girl. Say hey. You say hey? Hey. All right, we gotta wake up Cam. Come on, Cam. Get up, Tookie. We're here. We gotta go through the front door.
The garage. You go to the garage.
I know, it won't come up. It won't come up, so we gotta go through the front door, okay?
Yeah.
You sure? You're not showing out? Come here. I gotta watch her because she'll say she's not showing out. And low-key, she be showing out. So I don't know if y'all hear somebody, a loud noise, somebody outside more in the yard. Are you showing out, little girl? Come here. I can't see you. Are you showing out?
No.
Promise?
Mommy.
Well, what were you in there doing?
Nothing.
You were doing something? What was you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Mommy.
But anyways, I guess I'm gonna make them a snack so I can get off my feet and sit down. So I just made the kids a healthy snack. They both pretty much got the same thing. Strawberries, blackberries and blueberries, Cheerios, and an apple. This is gonna be the afternoon snack. So I'm frying the kids some chicken strips and french fries. Let me show y'all the best chicken strips to get. The Walmart Great Value brand. Really, really good. Better than any of the name brands I had. But listen, y'all know I burnt myself really bad when I fried that fish that time. So guess what, baby? When I fry now, I put this on and I use my little tongs. Because there ain't gonna be no burning going on. You hear what I'm saying? Cook perfect. Y'all see that? I mean perfect. The breading, so crunchy. These are the fries. We got the fries from Sam's. My mama told us about these fries and we tried them last week and we really liked them. So you okay with chicken strips and french fries? Okay. I guess I gotta ask the boss if she okay with it. But listen, I'm gonna wipe this off. And I'm not gonna play with these fries either, baby. I'm not getting burnt because that burn that I got last time from the fish left a really big scar on my arm that I still have. It's okay. Cam, don't come in here. Okay? Okay? All right, dinner is served. We got chicken strips that I cut up, french fries, which y'all, these fries are so good, and pineapple. Yes, Kelly? All right, so I am about to, let me see what time it is. It is 7:30. Adrian should be home probably in about 30 more minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and give the kids a bath. I give them baths separately. So I'll probably do Callie first and then Cam. And then I'll wait for him to get home so I can get in the tub. But I just want to say thank you. Thank y'all for for spending the day with me. It was a long day. I hope this vlog is not too long for like a daily vlog, but I actually enjoyed it. So yeah, so until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.